Welcome to Devlog 1. So today, we're going to be talking about some of the things I added in the past couple days or so. How much time has passed? I don't remember. Time doesn't exist. Anyway, so the first thing that I added was sound. So now our Stippy Steppies have sound. When you hit the ball, it has sound. Sound for the ball I made by whacking a bit of newspaper with a ruler. And then for the steps, I just kind of slam my desk with my hand, which is pretty funny. Anyway, you may notice that there's a little house over there. And also, I made this part a lot less steep because it was terrible to get up if you missed. I would just restart. Anyway, that's cool. Let's see what happens if I hit that golf ball into the house. So, if you don't want to be spoiled, of course, click away. I'm going to be spoiled all the major holes. But for those of you who want to see it, here we go.
Man, I don't need this.
As well, I also changed this part of the level design so that it wasn't so precise. I made some of the platforms larger and I made some guardrails. Now let's watch me at 500% speed trying to complete it. Other than that, see ya. Enjoyed the clip. Thanks for getting this far. Finally! My God, who designed this?